Today, we're going to build the Starship Enterprise using 8 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x2 plate with clip on top and a 1x2 jumper plate. And what I want to do is I put that jumper plate onto the top stud of my 1x2 plate with clip, and that's just kind of bring it over the 1x2 plate. So when I grab the 2x2 inverted radar dish, I put that on the jumper plate and it kind of moves the rounded disc part of the Enterprise forward and away from the engines. Now, to create the engines, I'm going to use some minifigure handcuffs. And what I'm going to do is, you've got that little grip for the minifigures to hold on to. I'm going to put that grip into the top clip here of my 1x2 plate so that the chains of the handcuffs are curving up and the holes where the minifigure's wrists would go are facing down. Now, once I've got that in place, I'm going to create the engines using this Technic pin piece. Now, the Technic pin piece has got the little stopgap in the center. What I want to do is I'm going to put the front end of that Technic pin into the minifigure handcuffs so that the handcuffs and that stopgap are touching. That way we've got a nice long end in the back. And so when I do that to both ends, I've got the engines of the Enterprise. Now, this one is based off the old TV show where they've got those orange lights on the front of the engine. So to create those orange lights, I'm going to grab 2 1x1 translucent orange round tile pieces and put that on the ends of the Technic pin. Now, if you're building this yourself, of course, you can put these on before you put the Technic pins into the handcuffs, but as a tutorial, I kind of like to go one step at a time. But once you've got those in place, you might need to adjust your handcuffs so they're bending the right way. But now we are completed with a micro Starship Enterprise to boldly go where no one has gone before.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.